I'll tell you what, I can't even hardly think about Christmas with this snow on the way.
Well, we got to get through the next couple of days, and we are talking about dangerous conditions. We don't use that phrase that often around here. We don't want to hype things up and make it seem like it's not. This is going to happen, and this is a rare type cold front. We do not see very many of them like this, all right? National Weather Service issuing a winter weather advisory for pretty much the entire region. Winter storm warning just to our north and our west, where confidence is a little higher and slightly more snow, but don't pay so much attention. Yes, we are going to see some snow. I'm going to show you a snow map right here. We're likely going to see 2 to 4 inches on average across the entire region. As far as snow goes, we could see some isolated totals, maybe a little higher than that in some locations. Confidence fairly low, though, in many areas, topping 4 inches. But again, it's going to be the combination of strong winds, light blowing snow. It could cause near whiteout conditions this afternoon. So estimated arrival of this Arctic cold front, when we're going to see any light rain around this morning, quickly change over to snow. Some of our north and western counties, we'll go ahead and say from Mount Vernon to Carmi in areas, or Carbondale in areas to the west, anywhere from Murfreesboro, Pinckneyville, DuQuoin, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. That means that by these times, you need to be getting to where you're going and plan to be there for a little while as well, because again, it is not going to be advised to travel this afternoon. 1 to 3 p.m. a little later, say from Marion to Harrisburg, southward to Golconda, Rosiclare, Elizabethtown, and then areas of the Missouri Boot Heel, and then in parts of western Kentucky, it's going to be later, 3 to 5 p.m. when this actually gets there. But we are talking about near whiteout conditions, very quickly changing conditions. It may go from light winds, temperatures in the low 40s, all of a sudden the bottom falls out and we've gone over to very heavy snow, and conditions will get pretty bad pretty fast here in our region this afternoon and this evening. Dangerous cold on the way for Friday. We're talking about some of the lowest wind chills since 2014, possibly the lowest temperatures in the month of December on Friday morning since 2004, and frigid air sticking around through the weekend, which means we're going to keep some of the slick roads around as well. Live views from across the region showing some fog, maybe some light drizzle in a few locations here to start the day. Some wet roads out there this morning. These are actual temperatures right now. We're in the lower 40s. That Arctic front, though, now down to 4 in Kansas City, 10 below in Omaha. So it's going to bring some big changes. Wind chill right now in Omaha, Nebraska, 37 degrees below zero. And most of the snow associated with this front is behind it. That means some pretty big impacts. 10 a.m. this cold front just knocking on our doorstep at that point. We think at lunchtime, though, it is likely from Mount Vernon to say moving through the Murfreesboro area, there is going to likely be what we call a squall right on this cold front. And it may start as some rain and then quickly change over to some sleet and then snow. And when you get caught in these squalls, it means visibility can dip very, very quickly. Snow continues through the afternoon, and notice there may be actually a little bit of a light break right behind the front, and then the snow kind of fills in through the mid to late afternoon. This is actually moderate to heavy snow here. Notice the timing, about 4 p.m. Temperatures in the lower teens, falling back in the single digits. We're talking salt, brine, it stops working at that point. So this is going to be a big concern. Strong winds behind this front as well. Winds out of the northwest sustained about 25 miles per hour. Some gust as the snow's coming down, 40 to nearly 45 miles per hour are possible. 8 o'clock, most of the snow starting to finally exit eastward. 10 o'clock, though, temperatures dipping down close to zero. We'll start off tomorrow morning about 4 below. Actual temperature tomorrow afternoon only up to about 9 degrees. So again, rapidly changing conditions. That's what you need to know coming up here through the early afternoon. Wind chill warning in effect, first time since 2014. Wind chills tomorrow morning anywhere from 25 to 30 degrees below zero. Frostbite, exposed skin, only 15 minutes or so. So again, use some caution. Wind chill staying 10 to 15 below zero tomorrow afternoon and through Saturday morning. So we've got some big time changes on the way. Looking ahead to Friday morning, we've got 4 below, afternoon high of just 9, 18 Saturday. That's Christmas Eve. Christmas Day will start off at 5 in the morning, 22 in the afternoon. Another chance for some light snow on Monday, and then temperatures start to finally warm back above freezing middle of next week.
I'll tell you what, I'm not looking forward to this, but I'm looking forward to getting past it.
Same.
At least Christmas is at the tail end of it all. All right, well, when we return, we're going to have morning sports. Plus, Rachel Gardner will be with us with a live update from Jefferson County. We'll have that and more about the road preps when